Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Microsoft Print to PDF option is missing in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for Windows features, best match, or come back with turn Windows features on or off. Go ahead and open that up. You want to scroll down to Microsoft Print to PDF. Make sure that is checkmarked in there and then select OK. And then usually you might have to reboot your computer after you've done that. So we're going to go ahead and actually restart our computer, even though it was already installed. In your case, it likely would have been an empty box that you had the check mark. It would go ahead and download the applicable files, and then you would have had to restart your computer. So just give that a moment there. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.